student of different groups.
Class 1st to class 3rd.
Hey, study everything for exam.
Class 4 to class 6.
Hey, that question was very hard, so I leave only that question.
Class 7 to 10th standard.
Read only important question.
Class 11th.
I think 4 chapter are enough to get pass.
12th class.
कल एग्जाम कौन सा है?
Sumaya, now I want to ask a question.
What? To me?
Yes. सोचो अगर डॉक्टर फिल्म बनाते हैं तो टाइटल क्या होता?
Oh, I think कभी खांसी कभी जुकाम, कहो ना बुखार है, टीवी नंबर 1, कल पेशेंट हो ना हो, साजन चले अस्पताल, हम ब्लड दे चुके सनम। अब आपके सामने एक हास्य नाटक प्रस्तुत किया जा रहा है। इस नाटक का मंचन किसी व्यक्ति विशेष की भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचाने के लिए नहीं किया जा रहा है। सो प्लीज वॉच आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम कॉमेडी प्ले।
Oh God, my stomach is paining. Oh ma, what happened in my stomach? Ouch! Oh God. Oh God, please help me. Ouch.
What happened, brother? What happened? Why are you shouting?
My stomach is paining.
Oh, your stomach is paining.
Oh God. Oh.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Ouch. Oh ma,
What happened, Kalu? What happened?
I cannot bear my pain. Oh God.
Come, we will go to the doctor.
Doctor? Who is the doctor?
Dr. P.K. Murray.
What? PK Murray?
No, it is the only name. He is the very good doctor. Come.
Sir, may I come with you?
Ouch.
No,
Oh,
don't
God.
worry. I can manage.
Wait, take few minutes.
Oh ma. Ouch. Oh God. Ouch. Oh God. Oh ma.
Don't worry.
Oh. Oh God. Ouch. Oh God, please help me. Ouch. Oh. Ouch. Oh God. Oh. Ouch. Oh ma.
Don't worry.
Oh God.
Please, sir, sit on the chair.
Okay, no problem.
Ouch. Oh. Excuse me, sir. Is he a good doctor?
Yes, absolutely. He is a good doctor. But what problem with you?
My stomach is paining.
Don't worry. He will disappear you.
What? What do you mean?
I mean, he will disappear your pain, sir. Don't worry.
Okay. Ouch. Oh ma. Oh. Oh God.
Why are you shouting?
His stomach is paining.
So what? This is
Oh.
hospital. You know, doctors inside.
I am dying with my pain.
Have you taken appointment?
How I will take appointment?
Ouch.
You know, see,
Oh,
he is
ma.
dying with his pain. Let us go inside.
No. My number is first. I have also some problem.
Please, sir, this is an emergency.
Okay. Wait. I will go and ask to the doctor.
Oh God. Ouch. Oh.
Don't worry.
Keep calm. Don't worry. Sir, this is an emergency. A patient is in severe pain. Can I send him?
Yes, please send it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Oh God. Ouch. Oh.
Yeah. You can go inside.
Thanks.
Oh God. Ouch. Oh God.
Excuse me.
Please.
Ouch.
Tell me your problem.
My stomach is paining severely, sir.
Okay, please lay down. I will check it.
Ouch. Oh God.
In your mouth. Eyes. Okay, now.
Ouch. Oh. Oh God.
I am writing some medicines. Take it from outside and keep coming on. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now take it.
Thank you, sir.
Oh God. Oh no.
After 2 days. Doctor.
My ear is paining. My ear is paining, doctor.
Please lay down.
Oh God.
It seems to be so painful.
Check my ear, doctor.
Okay. And are you doctor or me? Let me do my work, okay? Don't disturb me.
Oh God.
Now get up.
Ouch. Oh. Oh God. Oh.
I have written some other medicines. Take it from outside, okay?
Okay, sir.
Ouch. Oh.
After 2 days. Doctor.
I have severe headache.
What happened? You have come again?
I have severe headache, sir.
Lay down fastly.
Oh God.
Lift it. Is it paining?
No, sir.
Second one, is it?
No, sir. I have headache, sir.
Don't advise me, okay? I'm checking the.
Ouch.
Now get out.
Oh God. Oh God.
I have written some tests. Take it from outside, okay?
Oh God. Please
What?
help me.
Sugar test, ECG test, blood test, CT scan, urine test. What, sir?
Yes. You have to do. It's necessary. Then only I will cure him, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, go. You can go.
Come.
Ouch. Ouch. Oh ma. Oh God. Oh.
Don't take it.
Oh God. Ouch.
After 2 hours.
Oh God. Ouch.
Make me, sir.
Please.
Sir, this is the test report.
Okay, I'm checking. Now I understand your problem.
Tell me, doctor, what is the problem?
You are having very serious problem.
Tell me.
I mean that your head is filled with mud.
Mud? How is it possible?
This problem is your childhood. Now what's your age?
25 years, sir.
Then for the last 20 years, your head is slowly filled with too much mud. But you are not aware of that.
Sorry, doctor. This is the first time I heard about such disease. Okay, doctor. Please do something to cure my headache.
Okay, definitely. I will do my level best. But it will cost something more.